On this footpath that we built here today, which links Huntingdon town with Alconbury Weald, we've used 11 tonnes of ACLA.
ACLA is our aggregate-like additive that is a bit like a gravel material that goes inside asphalt at about 5%, give or take, that's so carbon negative that it can make the entire road build-up net zero.
As humans are emitting more carbon, we can't rely on the natural cycle to remove the carbon the way we need it to. Naturally, plants would absorb carbon, and that's how we would remain in equilibrium. We now have to use technologies such as carbon capture to remove carbon from the atmosphere.
What ACLA does is it reacts with CO2, permanently storing it, removing that CO2 from the atmosphere that would have contributed to climate change. So it permanently stores and removes so it can't contribute anymore.
So it's important to understand what asphalt is actually made up of. It's primarily aggregates like crushed stone, gravel, sand, and a binder called bitumen. And by replacing as little as 7% of the aggregates within that asphalt, we can reduce the embodied carbon of the asphalt down by as much as 100%. So that's why this stuff is so important.
Today we're working on a trial to use the ACLA product in our footways, and subject to that trial going well, and all indications are that it is going well, we can then roll it out for use in our carriageways and in our cycleways and all forms of asphalt construction. So it's very scalable. We should be able to use it in most developments going forward with the aim of reducing our carbon or even potentially being carbon neutral in the construction of the roads.
Within Cambridgeshire, we're seeing huge levels of growth. We have one of the highest rates of growth in the entire country. So balancing that with our desire to be net zero is always a big challenge. With growth comes infrastructure. We see highways in terms of roads, footways, pavements, cycleways. All of those are really carbon intensive, and we need to build them. You know, we all need to be able to get around. We all need to be able to drive, cycle, walk. But then to be able to make that carbon zero is really, really challenging. So that's where this comes in. Using ACLA, it helps reduce down our carbon impact while still delivering all the facilities that people need across our county.
The beauty of ACLA is that it's a drop-in solution. It's mixed into the asphalt at the batching plant, and the team that lay it on site need not know that there's ACLA mixed into the asphalt. Urban&Civic is already making really good progress towards its 2030 target, from reusing recycled concrete on site through to sustainable fuel in our plant and machinery. And ACLA presents a really great opportunity to do much more.